Hi guys! Welcome again to my YouTube channel, May Fine Art. And today's episode, I am making a review to some of the products that I personally use that is recommended by my doctor or my dermatologist. So guys, recently I have this problem in my scalp. I have dandruff, and I noticed that this dandruff happens every time I'm really stressed. We are now renovating the house, so we are so busy and caring for the children. So I noticed that there's something not okay going on in my scalp. So guys, I went to the doctor and I would like to share to you guys my experience for this product. So I have a doctor here in Belgium and she recommends me this product. So what is this, guys? So I wanna make this closer. Let's focus. So guys, this is Ducray Laboratory Dermatologue. That's French, so they have this French and Netherlands language here. So this is a shampoo. So this is the carton, and this is the package. It is around 100 ml, guys, and this is made in France. So if you will check the back part, it's all in French. All of it are French. So let me tell you my experience about this product. So this is good for severe dandruff conditions and long-lasting dandruff reduction, and it soothes itching. Yes, of course, if you have dandruff, then you can have problems with itching in your scalp. So for me, I tried this already for more than a month, and I feel it really gives me a good result. And the description of this product, guys, is I want to share to you for a while. So this shampoo removes flakes for a long time and quickly softens the scalp, and the all-round formula based on purifying and complementary ingredients acts on all factors involved in problematic flakes in your scalp, guys. So the Kelual DS shampoo prevents new flare-ups. So my doctor recommends me to use it 3 times a week. So it's like an interval, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday or Saturday. So it's like 3 times a week. So by continuing to use this shampoo once a week, or in my case, I have 3 times a week. That's recommended by my doctor. So as a maintenance treatment, flakes can be avoided for a long time. So the proven effectiveness of this product, guys, it's fewer flakes around 100%, and soothes the erythema 100%. So it also soothes the itching 94%. And the clinical study on 32 subjects, guys, with flakes on the scalp, it gives a percentage of satisfaction after 2 weeks. So indication is for the hair, flaking scalp with itching, and usage: apply, lather by massaging the scalp, rinse. So for me, I put it around 5 minutes, just massaging your head from here. So it's like also a scalp therapy. So it's a good feeling to use this, and reapply and leave. Here is 3 minutes, but my doctor told me put it in 5 minutes, and then rinse and attack face 3 times a week, 2 weeks. So for me, that's my situation, 3 times per week. And for maintenance phase, guys, once a week. So, and I want to show to you or tell you what are really the ingredients of this product. So it contains water or aqua, sodium laureth sulfate, diselclocoside, andicyclyl namidopropyl betaine, citric acid fragrance, laurel betaine, cetiarith 60 myristyl glycol. That's very difficult to pronounce, guys. So guys, in my personal experience, I totally recommend this product. So we might think, oh, how much is that product, by the way? Let me check. So you can have this online. I'm checking now with my phone. They are selling it in pharmaline.ba. So they're giving like €5 discount. Usually if you go to pharmacy, like my case, I went to pharmacy and I bought it for €15. So online you can check. Now they have 35% discount, and that's €10. So you can actually check that so many pharma online shop are selling, like the pharma market 18.33, but I think it's a bigger bottle. You can always check and compare, and some of them are asking also for shipping fee, so you can always check where you can go if you want to go to your local pharmacy or in online shop. So for me, I tried buying some products online, Pharmaline, and I also get some discount, and for me it's totally perfect because you don't need to have an effort to go to the pharmacy and this, so they will just deliver it in the right time. And yeah, and there's a specific amount that, for example, you need to pay more than 25, I mean a product total bundle €25, then you will not pay anything yet for a shipping fee. So you need to check it, guys, online. And yeah, that's my review for today. So guys, for those who are suffering from dandruff because of stress or anything, so you can try this product, Ducray, and I personally can recommend this because I experienced that it really helps me a lot. So thank you so much for watching this video. I am doing art tutorial in my video, guys. You can always check it, and I'm also doing travel vlog and of course reviewing those products that I highly recommend. Okay, so those who are not yet subscribed in my channel, I would be very grateful, guys, if you will subscribe and show support. Okay, thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, I'm here, and for the next time, see you. Bye!